Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set ISO auto on SONY ZV-E10 II. First of all, let's switch on the camera, and basically to enable auto ISO we have to press the ISO button on the D-pad, but as the default shooting mode our camera uses intelligent auto, which sets the ISO to auto by default. So if you're using intelligent auto and you don't want to change the shooting mode, then the camera will be using ISO auto as a default value, and you cannot change that. But if you want to change the shooting mode, you have to go to the menu, then use the left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar and scroll down to shooting. Then here in the shooting section, we're gonna have to scroll down to shooting mode, select this option, and then in shoot mode, change to any other shooting mode we have here. So basically it can be program auto, aperture priority, shutter priority, or manual exposure. And after selecting this mode, you're gonna have to press ISO button once again. And now to select the ISO auto, you have to select the first option from the sidebar on the left. And so as you can see, we can also adjust the ISO auto settings by selecting the minimum and maximum value for ISO auto. So to navigate between variables, you have to use left and right arrow keys. And to adjust these variables, to change the values, you have to use up and down arrow keys. So I think you would actually like to decrease the ISO limit to take less noisy picture. If so, then then limit the maximum value and press OK. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.